Some calendar dates are noted. This one is tasted. National Pecan Day, observed on April 14th, celebrates one of the few foods truly native to North America and deeply woven into Southern food culture. Pecans are more than a pie ingredient or holiday garnish. They sit at the intersection of agriculture, regional identity, comfort food, and snack culture all at once. The word itself traces back to an Algonquian term for a nut that needed a stone to crack, which feels appropriately dramatic for a food this rich. What makes the day work so well for content is that pecans can move in two directions at once. One lane is warm, nostalgic, and traditional. Pecan pie, pralines, candied pecans, Southern kitchens, family recipes. The other lane is modern and snackable. Roasted pecans, savory pecan crusts, salads, gourmet desserts, and food brand storytelling built around texture, crunch, and indulgence. National Day calendar also notes the pecan is native to the central and southern United States, which gives the day an unusually American agricultural identity. So April 14th is not just a food holiday, it is a clean excuse to talk about heritage, seasonal baking, Southern flavor, and the kind of ingredient that somehow manages to feel elegant and familiar at the same time. In other words, respectable enough for a tart, dangerous enough for a pie.